how to install Drupal. Before installing, you need to install Composer and Xampp or Wamp in your PC. I went to the Drupal documentation, and this is the command. I'm copying this command. Now I'm going to my Wamp directory. This is my Wamp directory. Then I'll go to www folder. Okay. Now I'll open my command prompt here. Okay. And now I'll paste that command which I have copied from the documentation. This is the command. This is your project name. You can give whatever name you want. Clicking enter. It will take a little time, but step by step it will install. I'll write Y for yes, again Y, again Y. Is installing. The base code installation or download is done. Now we need to set our virtual host. Now I will go to my project which I just installed. Then again Wamp64 www. Inside www folder I will find my project. This is my project. Now I will click this project and web directory. I'll copy the path. Now I'll go to my Wamp, your virtual host management. Okay. I will paste my copied path. Okay. I can give any name, whatever I choose for my virtual host. So I'm giving the name Drupal test project. Whatever you want. One more important thing, you will need to convert that backslash into forward slash. Okay. And of course, you will have to locate the path until the web directory. Okay. Now I'll click start the creation of the virtual host. Before accessing it, we need to restart our Wamp. Now I am restarting my Wamps, restart all services. Now I will go to my local host to create a new database using phpMyAdmin. Okay, local host phpMyAdmin. Okay, I don't have any password. Okay. So I am creating a new database. Okay, Drupal test. Okay. Let's move to the browser, type localhost, find our newly created virtual host. We created our virtual host, that's name was Drupal test project. Okay, so I will click that. Okay, it is loading. Yes, then language English. I will select standard, save and continue. Database name. What was our database name? We just created Drupal test. So database name, I just copied them, that's why I am pasting it. Username root, because in our database my username is root. You can type, you can write whatever your username is. Password, I don't have any password, so I am making it blank. Now save and continue. It is installing. It will take some time. Yeah, it is done. Now you need to choose your site's name, whatever you want. Okay, site email address and username. Site username I will choose admin. Password again admin. Whatever you want you can write. Default country I will not choose any, you can choose. Give the email address. Okay, I visit the gmail.com again and save and continue. Now you can install Drupal easily.